If you're looking to obtain a green card through the EB2 National Interest Waiver, also called NIW, you should definitely listen to this video because wait times are ballooning. I'm gonna go through why I think it's gonna take 3+ years if you're looking to apply for the EB2 NIW in the coming months to actually get the green card benefit, and action steps that you can take to reduce the time to get a green card in the United States, or potentially some temporary non-immigrant visa categories to fill that gap. The influx of NIW applicants, as well as just general applicants for the EB2 visa, are causing this big backlog in applications. Part of that is looking at the stats. You have year over year, when you're looking at the quarter comparison from where we were a year ago, you're looking at 5,500 plus NIW applicants when you look at Q1 2024 to Q1 2023, and nearly a 40% increase in EB2 filings. So there's a major wait time. We expect just more people to apply for the NIW as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, all these big tech companies have officially issued a policy, or rumors are it's close, or they're acting in practice where they don't want to sponsor employees for the EB2 benefits. Something that was included in the visa bulletin where the Department of State said high demand in employment second category will most likely necessitate retrogression of the worldwide final action date in the next month to hold number use within the maximum allowed under the fiscal year 2024 annual limit. This situation will be continually monitored and a necessary adjustment will be made accordingly. I thought I'd make this video to dispel myths. You see a lot of people marketing the NIW. Not many people are talking about how long it is going to take or how long it could potentially take given the big backlog of applicants for that visa category, and it's not slowing down anymore. So not advancing is bad news, and the news of a retrogression's even worse. So if you're looking to apply for the EB2 NIW, or you're already applied for that and you're waiting for the I-140 approval, or you've already been approved for the I-140, let's go through some of the steps that you can take so you can take control of your American dream. The O1 visa is a great option if you're at the top of your game. You got to hit 3 of 8 requirements that USAS dictates. We usually aim for 5 of 8 for our clients, and we have an affiliate company, VF USA, that allows us to sponsor you as a beneficiary. And you can do different consulting arrangements. You could work at a company, work at multiple companies. So reach out if you're at the top of the game, if you've been featured in the press, if you're part of top associations, if you've been earning a lot of money, usually top 5% for your field. If it's top 1 or 2%, even better. And with that option, if you have a job offer, with our option, it's a simple 1-pager that the employer is going to sign, giving you an offer and showing that we're going to act as the business manager, the agent for your O1 visa petition. So if you're interested in that option, do reach out. You should have a pretty good idea of where you would work in the United States, maybe some consulting assignments, or full-time or part-time employment, so W-2 or 1099. Both are applicable, but we've done a couple of videos on the O1 visa. We'll leave a link to that. Moving up for the O1, there's a green card category that's current. So unless you're born in India or born in China, you can right away adjust status with your I-140 and adjust status in the United States, or get your I-140 approved and then go to a consulate abroad, and that's the EB1A. So it's effectively the green card equivalent of the O1A. And how we usually see it is EB1A is up here, O1A's visa is here, and EB2 NIW is here. So it is harder generally to get the O1 than the EB2 NIW, and it's even harder getting the EB1A. But if you're a high income earner and you're in the top of your field, if you've won awards, if you've been on panels, if you've been featured in the press, then this is a green card category to at least look at, and we can help you with the personnel plan, or if you're going to be an entrepreneur in this category, the business plan. We can help you get this EB1A, bring in an independent immigration attorney, and jump the line in case you were maybe waiting for the NIW. And then last but not least, our bread and butter, the E2 visa, the visa that our company was founded back in 2015, helping entrepreneurs invest in small businesses to get the E2 visa. It's a great visa. It gives you a 5-year non-immigrant visa you can keep renewing, and that should buy you plenty of time to not just show that you have a proposed endeavor, but an actual endeavor, which is a requirement for the NIW, where you've already built the business, you've employed a ton of Americans, you're employing more Americans, you're paying for suppliers throughout the United States, you're paying a ton in taxes, and ideally you've invested in your operating a business and a critical industries. In summary, you have the E2 visa, O1 visa that are non-immigrant visas that you can get pretty fast. We're talking about 3 months, 4 months, depending where you're applying from. And then you have the EB1A, which is current for everyone born outside of China and India that you can apply for. So those are a few different options for people considering the NIW. It's still there. Depending on what your goals are, where you're living, it might be a viable category to continue down that path and preparing the petition, applying for that green card category, or you might want to consider some other alternatives given that it's taking so long to get the actual green card benefit. If you want to explore different business options, investment options that qualify for different visas like the O1, E2, EB1A, or even the EB2 NIW, we're here to help you out. Shoot me an email at patrick@visafranchise.com, or you could also check out our website at www.visafranchise.com. Check out our client application. We do give free discovery and solution calls for those that are eligible. I hope you enjoyed today's video and look forward to seeing you next time.